Can you attach a pergola to your house? The short answer is yes, but only if it's done the right way. So let's go over what's safe, what to avoid, and how to stay in compliance. Be sure to stick around until the end. We're going to answer one of the most common questions that homeowners have. What if there's a gutter right where you want to attach your pergola? Pergolas can easily be attached using carriage bolts, lag screws, or tap cons that anchor directly into the wall of your home. For wooden pergolas, a ledger board spreads the load evenly, and flashing keeps water from settling between the pergola and your home sheeting. For aluminum systems, the frame can be directly attached to the home and would be bolted into a structural element such as a header board or a rim joist. But stop right there. You cannot attach a DIY pergola to your home. It must be an engineered and load-rated system, not a kit from China. Remember that both legally and aesthetically, this is now an extension of your home, and it should be treated as such. Which leads us into compliance. Before you think about drilling, check your local building codes. In almost every area of this country, a pergola counts as a structural addition, meaning you're gonna have to get permits. After all, these systems may look simple, but they can weigh thousands of pounds, and they have to meet strict wind ratings and snow capacities. If your wall isn't load-bearing like this one, and you'd rather avoid structural attachments, a freestanding pergola set just a few inches off the wall could be a great alternative. So what about the scenario of a gutter in the way where you want to attach your pergola? Here's the kicker. In most cases, you don't need to remove it. Some installers will choose to go above or below the fascia board with riser brackets. This honestly has a less desirable aesthetic and can penetrate your roof. The cleanest method is replacing your existing gutter with an Azenco super gutter, a structural gutter that's strong enough to support the pergola while keeping your home's drainage and the pergola's drainage completely separate. So if you want to up your property's value with a permitted and certified pergola like this one, just hit the link in the description for a fast, free quote. This installation in South Florida was beautifully put together by Show Pros Florida. The owners left for a weekend getaway and came back to luxury outdoor living. You can read a full guide on attaching a pergola to your house in the description. And remember guys, life is better outside.